To my kitchen. I love it when you guys come here. It's Mother's Day.
I thought you were going to say I love right there.
No, I love it when you guys come into my kitchen and know the day is not Mother's Day. The day is Tuesday, but Mother's Day is Sunday. I may not see you guys on Sunday. So I want to say a happy Mother's Day. Yeah, Mother's Day Sunday the 13th.
I thought it was on the 11th.
Nope. And so I want to say happy Mother's Day. And I wanted to give some good, easy recipes this week in case your kids want to make you breakfast. I know when my kids were younger, they weren't working. I just wake up all the time to a Mother's Day's breakfast. So I say breakfast.
I can make you. I'm off on the weekends.
Yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna get. I ain't had one of those in a long time. Let's keep it real, right? You know, y'all ain't made me one of those in a long time. Okay.
I'm off this weekend, so I might make some breakfast, shorty.
How about something special for Mom? Let's do some blueberry muffins. It's a quick, simple recipe. Yes. Oh, pancakes.
You said muffins.
And you know what?
You watched that mukbang yesterday.
Yeah, but you know what? If y'all look at the vlog, grocery vlog for me getting the ingredients, I kept saying muffins in the grocery store.
Maybe you want muffins.
I don't know. Well, it's pancakes, guys. It's blueberry pancakes. So, what you're gonna need? Of course, some fresh blueberries. You can use frozen fruit, blueberries, let them thaw out. But right here, I got some all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Yeah, that's okay. I'm laughing, the baby in there.
They must blow on her stomach.
Right. So can we make the video? We're not talking about the baby. Okay, and of course I have some buttermilk. And just to go over this, Brandon completely threw me. 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and the blueberries. Hey, Mike, I'm making a video. Y'all loud. And
Eddie.
And it's like, and of course you need some butter or butter spray or margarine. I'm using margarine today. Some buttermilk, some vegetable oil, and your favorite syrup. I ain't gonna. Yes, she was on sale for $1.99. The price right today. Okay, so to this, I'm gonna add, of course, your 1 egg. I'm adding my 1 egg. We're gonna use that for trash. I'll clean it out later. What else am I adding? Oh, my veggie oil.
Well, I like this thing.
Yes, I'm doing 2 tablespoons. Now, if you have canola oil, you use canola oil. 2 tablespoons of veggie oil. Right on up in there, guys. Now, the buttermilk, it depends on how you like your pancakes. I'm a thin girl. No, not like this, but but I'm a thin pancake girl. I love them.
Me too. It tastes better.
And so we're gonna start off with just a little bit of milk. I could say you could start off with a cup of milk. About a cup of milk in here.
Mom, I love your pancakes though. They be bomb.
Yes, thin pancakes, guys. Oh my god.
They be all thin and crispy.
And I'm gonna use this.
Back in the
and
day.
say she ain't put the blueberries in. No, you know why? Because if I put the blueberries in, they're not going to be evenly distributed through each pancake. So as I put my pancakes in my pan, I'm going to turn this on. I'm about to stick some, I'll do like this real quick. Take my butter. You got some butter spray. Or, yes. What? You got some butter spray. Or if you got a griddle, you can do more than once.
Yeah.
Yes, I got this on.
That's gonna be my house when we get. I need 2 griddles.
Why you need 2 griddles?
It's me and my boo.
What you mean? See, look, that's thick. I don't like the pancakes. You can use this with regular milk. I just prefer buttermilk. It makes things much tender, much better. I gotta move it slow, so I don't want everything to be everywhere. Then once I get it, you're gonna have some lumps. A little lumps is okay. But you use about a cup of milk. Look, see? A little bit more. Yeah, she like it thin.
Can I drink that regular?
My grandmother used to.
Is it good?
Yeah. I don't know. I wouldn't do it.
I'm about to start lifting weights again. So
Okay. My pan is on a medium heat. It's getting hot. I think this is about this thin enough for me. Hand me a measuring cup right there. No, the little measuring cup, little ones. Yeah. Thank you.
I'm sneaking my bag.
You're just gonna use, if you have a ladle, a little small ladle, you can use that. I'm just gonna take this right here. Bam. Now, why I can't sit this at? I don't want to make a mess. I don't want to use this stuff right there. Take your pancakes, your blueberries, and just plop them. That way, you get everyone a right amount of blueberries. So if you want each pancake to have like 6 or 7 blueberries, that way you know, like, he had more blueberries than me. So that's enough. So I love blueberries. Anybody say the pancake gotta be yours?
Okay.
Oh, but I'm on regular pancake.
They ain't here talking about.
Yeah, we behind the scenes.
They behind the scenes talking about that's enough blueberries. Bye.
Yeah.
Strawberry bomb.
Yeah, strawberry pancakes will be good too.
Chocolate chip.
So look at the pancake. Let it cook. You know, take like a few seconds.
Throw a banana in there.
So guys, look. I'm about to flip my pancake. Yes. Can we say perfect pancake? Can we say we're gonna make a couple of more of these? It's easy. I'm gonna show you guys one more. It always go down on the side and get some more pancake on the side. And then while that's cooking on that side, this is what I do. I take a piece of butter and I sit it there. Yeah. Ain't nobody say it's nothing healthy about this. But if your pancake mix get thick while it's sitting, add a little bit of more milk to it just to thin it out the way you like it.
That one piece of hair in the way more.
You know, one piece of hair. Ooh, the pancake's cooking. Look at the blueberries in there. The crispy edges. Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom of that pancake. And guys, fathers, if you're watching, help the kids out. There you go. We're gonna make some more.
Ooh, they smell good.
Yes. I want to stack them. And this kind of like help them be even too. When you use like a ladle or a measuring cup or something like that. Go in. And you can surprise her. Every pancake don't have to have blueberries in it. She could get one without blueberries. Like, oh, that was a surprise. There we go. A good 3 minutes or so till it get golden brown. We're gonna stack it, we're gonna flip it. Why are you watching me?
Oh.
Watch the pancake.
I'm tired, man. I'm in focus for me. Got Kool-Aid?
Huh?
Got Kool-Aid?
Yeah.
You got ice?
Oh, I don't know.
Probably not.
We have a sidebar conversation about Kool-Aid and ice. Sidebar. Ooh. I'm hot. And you know when the pancake, it's time to flip?
When the bubbles?
You know, always to my kids, when you get the bubbles, see how the bubbles popping in around the edges and stuff? I won't have a thing. See the bubbles popping in? See how they popping in? And you can just always just lift the edge. You got a good pancake, good splash, a good pan. Just lift that edge up.
It's not right.
Yes, it is, honey.
You sure?
Brandon, who's doing this? Me or you? And bam.
Yeah, bam, a mess.
Yeah, but it's a pancake though. And I'm in a small pan. But there it is. And just like I said, it was ready to be flipped. I stick a piece of butter on there. Somebody said, all that butter? Girl, you ain't taste a pancake to his buttery pancake goodness. What you talking about? What are you talking about, girl?
Who is girl? Who you talking to?
Them, Soul Squad. What are you talking about? Good pancake
I
here.
like it goofy when I'm sleepy.
You know what? I think a lot of people do that because I don't get goofy, but I lose train of thought when
That's
I'm
what I
sleepy.
think I'm doing right now.
In my head, it's like all over the place. Yeah, I told y'all in the store, I'm thinking about going bald. It's too hot for this wig.
Yep, I'm glad I cut my hair off last year. I ain't that hot no more.
See? Look at that pancake. I got a small pan, but look at that pancake. That pancake is ready, guys. So, what I'm going to do, I'm trying to get it flipped over. I'm going to make a couple of more of these, and we're going to come back with the end result. So, guys, this is the last pancake. Pancakes are not perfect, but they're not supposed to be perfect. They're about having fun, and we eating them and everything. So, this is my last pancake. I got butter sitting on top. Now, what you can do, some presentation, throw some blueberries around the plate, just for everybody to eat. And then
Shows easy to get like 70 J's growing.
you top it with some syrup, drizzle. Everybody's gonna grab a pancake.
I'm gonna grab 3.
So guys, this is my stack of pancakes, and not for me, for everybody. I got a little bit more to cook. Blueberry pancakes for your mom in the morning. Great recipe. Until next time, we out, Soul Squad. Like, share, and subscribe. How to make vegan crab cakes, guys. They look delicious. Remember, marinated artichokes, 1 teaspoon of coconut sugar.